Did you know HighLevel can sort your leads to the right teammate based on tags? To do this, we can use our contact tag workflow trigger with the tag added filter. Select the tag that you want to use. For this case, we'll use assign to admin. So whenever a contact is tagged with this tag, then we can use our assign to user workflow action and then select the user we want to assign it to. In this case, it's an admin or myself. By using tags to track, sort, and customize your contacts throughout your CRM, you can use this to assign contacts to the right users depending on what stage they're at in their pipeline, payment statuses, document statuses, and so much more. One simple way we can do this is with a second workflow, simply by adding our tag to a contact, again, that assigned to admin tag, if the opportunity has been changed. So in this case, if an opportunity has been moved to the canceled call pipeline stage, in case they've canceled a call, then we'll add the tag to let our team know that this needs to be assigned to the admin, and then using that other workflow, then it gets assigned to the admin based off of that tag easily. This is just an example of how you could do this, but there's lots of different triggers and tag actions and ways that you can automate this in your sub account. If you want to learn more, check out the blog. As always, this is Andrew, and thank you for watching.